Hi, I'm Michaela. I work here at Henderson's lineup in the branding and marketing department. If you're watching this video, chances are you already have an appointment scheduled with us here at Henderson's lineup. First of all, thank you for choosing us. We know many of our customers travel hundreds and sometimes even thousands of miles to get here. We truly appreciate the trust you're placing in our team. Whether you're coming in for a road performance assessment, steering and suspension improvements, or another type of service, our goal is to give you the best experience possible. Before you arrive, there are a few simple things you can do to help our technicians evaluate your RV accordingly. Protect your belongings and make your entire visit go smooth. Let's cover the 6 important tips you need to know before your visit. Tip number 1, bring your RV in the way you normally travel. If you typically travel with a full freshwater tank, bring it in full. If you normally travel with it half full, bring it in that way instead. We generally recommend arriving with around half a tank of fuel when possible. You should also bring the bicycles, tools, camping equipment, and any other items you usually carry with you on the road. Why does this matter? The weight inside your RV and where that weight is located can affect how it steers, handles, and responds on the road. Our technicians want to evaluate your RV under the same conditions you experience while traveling. The closer it is to normal traveling weight, the more accurately we can identify the problems you are experiencing and recommend the right solutions. Tip number 2, secure everything inside your coach. Put away anything that could slide, tip over, fall, or break during the road test. This includes coffee makers, dishes, small appliances, decorations, and anything sitting loose on a counter or a table. We mention this because loose items really can fall during testing. We even have seen coffee pots end up on the floor. Our technicians need to drive your coach under real-world conditions so they can properly evaluate its steering, suspension, braking, and overall handling. Securing your belongings protects your valuables and prevents unnecessary damage and allows our technicians to focus completely on how your coach performs. Tip number 3, empty your gray and black water tanks. Depending on the services being performed and what our technicians discovered during the evaluation, your coach may be with us for 1, 2, or occasionally even 3 days. Beginning your visit with empty holding tanks makes your stay more convenient and helps prevent you from needing to find a dump station while your coach is being serviced. It is also greatly appreciated by our technicians, especially when they need to work underneath or around the holding tank areas of your coach. It may seem like a small detail, but it can make the entire service process cleaner, safer, and more comfortable for everyone.
Oh my gosh, there's a serious problem.
You need to subscribe to this channel so you understand what your issues are and we can get them pointed out.
That's awesome because 95% of you guys watching our videos are not subscribed.
That makes me sad.
So let's fix that problem right now. All right, let's go to the front.
Tip number 4, know where to park when you arrive. When you arrive during normal business hours, please park your coach across the street in our gravel parking lot. Be sure not to park along the bushes as this is where our valued employees park. Parking here helps us keep the area around our shop doors and service bays clear. Our technicians regularly move large coaches in and out of the building, so having that space available helps us operate safely and efficiently. Once you're parked, come inside and check in with our front office team. We'll let you know what happens next and where we need your coach. If you're staying overnight, we also have 30-amp electrical hookups available. After the business day is finished and the shop doors are closed, our team will show you where to park and where to connect your coach. When you arrive, please do not hesitate to ask for help. We know every facility is different and our team will be happy to get you situated. Tip number 5, make yourself at home. While our team is taking care of your RV, we want you to feel comfortable and welcome. Our customer lounge gives you a place to relax, catch up on work, or simply take a break while your coach is being evaluated or serviced. You will find complimentary coffee, snacks, bottled water, Wi-Fi, and small refrigerator if you need it. Our lounge is also part of our showroom, so you can see many of the steering and suspension products we install every day. We're also pet friendly, so your 4-legged traveling companions are welcome to join you. Before you leave, we would also love for you to stop by our family map and place a pin to let us know where you are from. We're blessed to serve RV owners who travel here from all over. The map helps us see just how far our customers have traveled. Every pin tells a story, and we'd love to add yours to the family map. Tip number 6, enjoy your time in Grants Pass. If your coach will be with us for more than a day, we encourage you to get out and enjoy beautiful Southern Oregon. We want your visit to be about more than simply waiting for your RV. In our showroom, you will find a welcome packet with maps, brochures, restaurant recommendations, and ideas for things to do in the area. One of the most popular local attractions is the Hellgate jet boat excursion on the Rogue River. It is a fun way to experience the beauty of Southern Oregon, enjoy some time on the water, and create a great memory while your coach is being serviced. There are also wonderful local shops, parks, and scenic areas to explore. Our team lives here, so feel free to ask us for recommendations. We would be happy to help you make the most out of your time in Grants Pass. We hope these tips help you feel prepared and confident before your visit. If there's anything you need during your visit, please let us know. We're here to serve you. So thank you again for choosing Henderson's lineup. We know you have options, and we are honored that you have trusted our team with your RV. We look forward to meeting you and helping you enjoy safer and happier driving.
Talking steering, suspension, the tools of the trade. Shout out to Super Steer Parts, upgrades made. From quiet campfires to the stars up above. Every road is a story, every turn is a love. Finding hidden gems and the paths off the grid. Life on the road